Still you hold my hand. You were there in my darkness when I cursed your name. You were steady, you were faithful. You never walked away. Why you love me, Lord, I don't know. I was running hard, you called me home. With a heart full of failure and a soul full of shame, you just held me close and said, "Child, you're not the same." I remember that Sunday I slipped in the back, heart heavy as a headstone, too tired to act. Preacher read about mercy, said grace is a gift. I fell down at that altar, and you met me in that mess. Why you love me, Lord, I don't know. I was running hard, you called me home. With a heart full of failure and a soul full of shame, you just held